CISTAR, the Center for Innovative and Strategic Transformation of Alkane Resources, is the right team with the right idea at the right time to address major U.S. energy and manufacturing opportunities. 90% of transportation fuel and more than 80% of U.S. chemicals, including plastics, come from oil. The U.S. uses about 10 million barrels of this oil each day to transport people and goods. That many barrels, stacked end to end, would stretch across the country twice every day. We all agree our best long-term energy solution will be to replace fossil-based fuel with renewable sources. It will take many, many decades to economically develop renewable sources to replace fossil fuels. Until that time, we will continue to use oil. Rather than importing the oil we need, a tremendous resource exists right here in the United States. We have more than a 100-year supply of energy in shale that we can use as bridge fuel until renewables can support our needs. Shale resources include a complex mixture of light hydrocarbons trapped in shale formations. However, this gas is not in a form that we can easily use. Our goal is to develop new technologies needed to economically convert shale gas into transportation fuels and petrochemicals, which will also reduce carbon emissions. In fact, U.S. energy-related CO2 emissions are already decreasing as natural gas replaces coal. CISTAR will accelerate this decrease by improving the value of natural gas and by creating a fuel that emits less CO2. CISTAR is one of the newest flagship engineering research centers funded by the National Science Foundation. Innovative technology will enable us to responsibly convert light hydrocarbons from shale, reduce carbon emissions, and reinvent the transportation and petrochemical industry through small, mobile manufacturing plants strategically located close to America's vast shale reserves. CISTAR will bring new jobs to many rural communities and ultimately inject an estimated $20 billion annually into our nation's economy. We will also prepare the next generation workforce to deliver this energy revolution. Our interdisciplinary and inclusive team has diverse learners, researchers, and educators from engineering, science, and policy. The CISTAR innovation ecosystem brings together stakeholders who are able to translate scientific breakthroughs into commercial solutions. CISTAR has the right team working on the right processes at the right time. CISTAR will enable the U.S. to responsibly use the nation's immense shale resources and meet our chemicals and energy opportunities. Together, we will build the bridge to a renewable future.